Number 1. Beginning App Development with Flutter, Create Cross-Platform Mobile Apps book by Payne. Easy to understand the starter book. Currently the best-selling and highest-rated Flutter book on Amazon. Number 2. Beginning Flutter. A hands-on guide to app development book by Napoli. Build your first app in Flutter. No experience necessary. Number 3. Flutter for Beginners, an introductory guide to building cross-platform mobile applications with Flutter and Dart 2. A step-by-step guide to learn Flutter and Dart 2 for cross-platform app development. Number 4. Flutter in Action by Windmill. This book will teach you to build professional quality mobile apps using Flutter SDK and Dart programming language. Number 5. Flutter Succinctly book by Freitas. Learn app UI designing in Flutter from zero to hero. Number 6. Learn Google Flutter Fast, 65 example apps by Clow. Learn Google Flutter by example. Develop over 65 example mini apps.